I'll now cover the other tab. So if you look at the first tab, we have covered it just now. Sometimes what happens is that you find that it's easier to look at it from a more visual standpoint. So for instance, we have selected k-means here, five clusters, and you can actually kind of like look at it and see which makes more sense. If you look at this, to be honest, it seems like 4 and 5 clusters is sufficient. If you put in too many clusters, it probably doesn't make as much sense. So you can actually just select that. I think from a map perspective, sometimes it may make more sense because sometimes properties are more visual, they are more as in location based. So if you were to visualize it on a map, then you find that you kind of know, okay, maybe this area is a bit, it makes sense to cluster this area with this area, like these two areas together, right? So depends on how it is, but it seems like from this case, it seems like if you look at it, 4 and 5 could be optimal. Yeah, you don't really need if you want to push it, maybe 6, but that's where you see the most changes. But I think that's about it. Um, yeah, anything above, I think above 5, right? Uh, it's not going to give you much value because you are actually segmenting it too finely. So have a play around, right? That actually works as well. If you want, you can actually look at the various means of clustering and then see whether what makes the most sense. Hope that helps.